Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And so for today, I have an unboxing for you guys. This is the Nuu Mobile X6, and this was sent out to me from Nuu Mobile, and I do want to give a shout out to them and thank them for sending me out this device. That's pretty awesome of them to do it. So here's the box itself. This is what the box looks like, and every Nuu Mobile device does come with a 5 GB 3-month starter kit from Mint Mobile. So real quick, I'm just going to go off the specifications for you guys, because I know you guys want to know about that. So we're going to start off with the specifications while I take this box apart. It's basically the device has a 5.71 inch HD display at 1440 by 720 with a 19 by 9 aspect ratio, 13 megapixel rear cameras on the back with autofocus, and a 5 megapixel front facing shooter. For the processing chip, it is a MediaTek chip clocked at 2 gigahertz. We have 4G LTE up to 150 megabits per second. And that depends on your network connection though. 3 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage with expandable storage. I can't stress how much I love to hear that. It's running Android 9 Pie, but it will get Android 10 with a future update. It does support dual SIM, so I believe this supports DSDS, and it has a 2800 milliamp removable battery, which I'll get into here in a little bit, and it does support voice over LTE. For the bands that it actually connects to on GSM, it's 850, 900, 1800, and 1900 megahertz. We have WCDMA at 850, 1900, and 2100. And for LTE, it supports bands 2, 4, 5, 7, 12, 17, 28A, and 28B. All right, so we got the box open right now. As you guys saw, we have the device. I just took that out. And we're going to go ahead and look into what we get inside the box here, which is going to be some extra goodies. So let me just get this thing open here. And I don't want to drop anything. It looks like there's a bunch of stuff in there. So let's go ahead and get this out. I see a case. I see the Mint Mobile starter kit. And there's a removable battery, which, to my surprise, something that I miss. Okay, so there's a Mint Mobile starter kit. There is the X6 start guide. You might want to read through that. Stickers. I love getting stickers, so this is awesome. That's going to go on the Chromebook. And then if you have any questions, you have that card there. Now, interesting enough, it comes with a screen protector and it comes with a case. I cannot stress how I love the fact when companies actually send you a case and a screen protector. Now, this is not a 9-inch glass screen protector. It is a plastic one, but nonetheless, keep your screen looking brand new by protecting it any way that you can. Now, this case right here, yes, it's a translucent case so you can see the full body of the device. Here we have the wall brick for charging, and then we have the charging cable, data sync cable itself. And I believe, yes, it is micro USB. So some of you guys who may be a little bit down that it didn't use Type-C, I understand, but micro USB is still capable, so I'm not going to complain too much. Again, this device goes for $99. You can find it on Amazon for $99 as well. So here it is. I've been waiting for this part. This is a removable battery, everybody. This is so cool. It's been so long since we've been able to use a device that has a removable battery, which means that if you need an extra battery, I'm sure you can order an additional battery, and then that way you can just swap batteries out when you run out of juice. The battery size is a 2800 milliamp battery. So yeah. Not a 3000, but that's still okay. And again, like I said, it's removable. So you can find a battery, you can find an additional battery for your device, charge them both up with the external charger, and you're good to go. So let's take the device out of the sleeve itself. And actually what I'm going to do right now is, since it has its protective film over the display, as we take a look at the body, and I'm telling you guys, this device is, it feels nice for, you know, a mid-ranger. It feels pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and apply the screen protector on once I take this protective screen protector off that has all the X6 information here. So let me just go ahead and peel this off. And while I got that off, we're going to go ahead and set up for the screen protector. Now, I'm not always the best at putting on a screen protector, so feel free to laugh at me if you guys want to be like, oh my gosh, air bubble city. I'll try to get as much of the air bubbles out, but I just want to get the screen protector on to protect the device right away without any fingerprint smudges or anything like that to put on the display right away. And then, yeah, so let me just align this up. Hopefully I can get it good. Fingers crossed that I can get it good. And there we go. I have that top part up. And this little method that I'm using, as you pull the plastic off the screen protector, what that kind of does is it creates a static type electricity, which kind of like flicks lint and stuff like that. If anything has landed on the screen, it kind of flicks it away. So yeah, you don't want to completely peel off the plastic. And Mint Mobile starter kit coming in handy to get the air bubbles out. So yeah, it's totally cool. So anyways, I got it on. We'll take the protective film off the screen protector, and there we have it. Just collected some dust there. Let me just go ahead and wipe that off. And yeah, we'll go ahead and wow, this is a really, really nice phone. It really is. And there we go. That's where I can pry off the back cover to expose the back of the device where I can put the battery in. Now, obviously, it's got two IMEIs. Obviously, it has two SIM ports, as you guys can see. And there's the expandable storage slot underneath the top right. So I'm believing this does support DSDS, but I'm going to basically confirm that with Nuu Mobile. And then I will tell you guys in the review video if it does support dual SIM, dual standby, or if it's just a dual SIM single standby. I'll get back to you guys on that. Well, we got the battery in, so let's snap this case on. This is so nostalgic to be able to do something like this. I haven't done this in a long time where you had to put a battery in a device. So yeah, it's just bringing back memories of like older devices that were like champions back in the day. And yeah, here we go. Let's put the case on, keep the back protected. I don't want to scratch it up. And then I'm going to go through the setup process to get the device set up here just a bit. And then, yeah, maybe I'll do a quick impressions, or I might just save that for later and just do like a 24-hour impressions. But I do want to kind of dive in and take this phone through all kinds of things, like taking photos, taking videos. I may record a vlog with it just so you guys can see the video capabilities from it, and just upload the raw footage without it being edited through any of my editors, so you guys can see what kind of video, audio to expect from it. But other than that, I love the animation boot up and everything. That was pretty cool. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and then we will go ahead and continue forward. But if you guys enjoyed the video, smash that like button to let me know. Hit subscribe if you guys did. And yeah, I'll talk to you on the next one. As always, aloha.
Let me out, I'm stuck in your pocket.